Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about some important questions which are related to RRB science. So now we will see the questions along with the answers in detail. First question. Which rays are mainly used to find out invisible handwritings, forged documents and fingerprints? And the options are gamma rays, ultraviolet rays, beta rays, infrared rays. Right answer is option 2, ultraviolet rays. Next one. Which chemical substance is present in tobacco? And the options are quinine, heroin, nicotine, morphine. Right answer is option 3, nicotine. Next. Rearing of silkworm for the production of silk is called. Options: sericulture, apiculture, silviculture, pisciculture. Answer is option 1, sericulture. Next. The property of a body when it resists any change in its motion in a straight path or at rest. What is it called? Options: viscosity, capillarity, reaction, inertia. Answer is option 4, inertia. Next. Cyclotron is a device which is used for. Options: provides energy charged particles. Option 2. Takes a three-dimensional picture. Option 3. Analyzes the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere. Fourth option. Measures the pollution level of vehicles. Answer is option 1. Provides energy charged particles. Next. For which disease treatment radioactive iodine is used? Options: skin disease, thyroid disease, hemophilia, blood cancer. Correct answer is option 2. It is used for thyroid disease. Next. Which part of the human body is most affected by typhoid? Options: intestine, renal, stomach, lungs. Answer is option 1, intestine. Next. Which of the following is used to dissolve noble metal? Options: nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, aqua regia, sulfuric acid. Answer is option 3, aqua regia. Next. Which corpuscles are mainly affected in leukemia? Options: blood platelets, red blood corpuscles, white blood corpuscles, blood plasma. And the answer is option 3, white blood corpuscles. Next. Which of the following is an element? Options: ruby, sapphire, diamond, emerald. Answer is option 3, diamond. Next. Which chemical is used for the preservation of foods? Options: sodium chloride, boric acid, potassium permanganate, sodium benzoate. Answer is option 4, sodium benzoate. Next. Potassium permanganate is used for purifying drinking water because. Options: it is a reducing agent. Option 2. It is a sterilizing agent. Third option. It dissolves the impurities of water. Fourth option. It is an oxidizing agent. Correct answer is option 4, because it is an oxidizing agent. Next. The halogen which is most reactive is. Options: fluorine, iodine, bromine, chlorine. Answer is option 1, fluorine. Next. Fleming left hand rule is used to determine which of the following? Options. None of these. Option 2. The current flow direction of the magnetic field. Third one. The direction of induced current due to the impact of magnetic field. Fourth option. The direction of current motion in a magnetic field. And the answer is option 4, the direction of current motion in magnetic field. Next. Which of the following metals remains in liquid for under normal conditions? Options. Radium, uranium, zinc, mercury. Answer is option 4, mercury. Next. Which rays are mainly used to find out invisible handwritings, forged documents and fingerprints? Options. Infrared rays, ultraviolet rays, gamma rays, beta rays. Answer is option 2, ultraviolet rays. Next. The property of a body when it resists any change in its motion in a straight path or at rest, what is it called? Options. Inertia, viscosity, capillarity, reaction. Answer is option 1, inertia. Next. Which part of human head is associated with the beats of lungs and heart? Options. Hypothalamus, medulla oblongata, diencephalon, spinal cord. Answer is option 2, medulla oblongata. Last one. Which part of body is responsible for the production of urea? Options. Kidney, spleen, liver, heart. Right answer is option 3, liver.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.